My name's Ryan Young. I'm the controller for Palmetto Restaurant Operations. We've been in business for 20 years. We operate 18 Pizza Hut locations across South Carolina and Georgia. We started looking for a AP automation tool, mainly to help us get rid of a lot of the manual processes in AP that were really taking us a lot of time. So we're looking for a time saver in AP. And then also we're starting to have more remote workers, and also being a restaurant business, we have a lot of operations people working in the field. So we wanted to have a tool to be able to access our AP documentation, invoices remotely anywhere that we work. OnePAY is a good fit for our organization because we were looking for a way to get rid of our manual AP processes and automate a lot of that to help us save time. We are also looking for a way that our remote employees and our operations people that are always in the field could have access to our AP documentation, mainly invoices, wherever they were working. There's a few different benefits that we get from using the OnePAY payments portal. The biggest one is probably the ability to send payments via check, ACH, or virtual card. We really enjoyed having the ability to use ACH and virtual card, and mainly virtual card because we were able to earn cash back on those transactions, which is a nice benefit for us. So when evaluating the use of a virtual card versus just a standard credit card, there were a couple of different reasons we like the virtual card better. One, credit card documentation is always hard to track down and keep good accounting records. And two, with the virtual card, we're able to send those virtual card payment links via email directly to the supplier, and they're able to virtually swipe those transactions whenever they want to, and without us having to initiate the payment. OnePAY and the payments portal has changed our organization for the better by making us more efficient. We save a lot more time during our AP process now. Tasks that used to take us a couple of days now take us a few hours each week. And we also appreciate that we're able to access our documents wherever we are remotely. The biggest gain from moving to or having a digital transformation in our payment process has been the time to pay. We've been able to receive our invoices a lot faster because we have a new AP email address, and we're able to send those payments faster because we now have the ability to send ACH payments easier, and we have the ability to send virtual card payments. So our vendors are happier, and we're able to keep our records a little bit cleaner. The biggest surprise about switching to OnePAY and the payments portal was probably the cost benefit that we had. We knew we'd gain a lot of efficiencies in our AP process by making this change, but we were not expecting our virtual card cashback to completely offset the cost of OnePAY and then some. So that was definitely the biggest surprise. The best thing about working with the OneDataSource team is definitely their customer relationship. Our company's had a long history of working with them and their other products, and moving into OnePAY was an easy transition for us. We knew that they would continue the same customer relationship. If we had any questions, they would reach out to us quickly. If we wanted to change anything, they're always quick to customize anything we need, and they're just great people to work with.